Hi, I'm Sam Jans, and this is my SPED 401 midterm project. So today we're going to go over the website Rewordify.com. Rewordify.com is a powerful free online software that improves reading, learning, and teaching. This site can intelligently simplify difficult English for faster comprehension, effectively teach words for building a better vocabulary, and help teachers save time and produce engaging lessons. Rewordify.com is all online and there's no download required. So basically everything is free and ready to go as soon as you get the link. So basically what Rewordify.com does is it takes a paragraph of text, pulls out all the big and hard words, and substitutes them in for easier versions of the same word. So for example, instead of using the word enthusiastic, it would substitute it out for the word happy or excited. So to give you guys a better understanding on this, we're going to go over here to this article called Big Fancy Words. Scroll down and look for a paragraph that's got some big words in it. We'll take this one here, copy it, and paste it into Rewordify.com. Click Rewordify Text, and it pulls out all the big and hard words, which would be justified, circumstances, temptation, and irritation. So the text originally reads, "And remember, I'm not trying to ban these or any challenging words. Some uses may be perfectly justified, but we should keep in mind why we're writing and who's reading and under what circumstances, and we should avoid the temptation to display our irritation at the reader's expenses." So as you guys can tell, that was just a complete mouthful and it was very hard to understand. Just imagine being a younger child trying to understand what the words circumstances mean or temptation. You have no idea. Basically the whole article makes no sense then. So what Rewordify.com allows you to do is just click on the tough words to get an easier version. So justified would be gave a good reason for, circumstances are facts or conditions, temptation is the feeling of wanting to, and irritation is amazing knowledge. What you can actually do, instead of having to click on the words to get the definition, you can actually go up here to the settings and switch it so it rewordifies it automatically for you into the easier version. We'll save and close that here, and now the text reads, "And remember, I'm not trying to ban these or any challenging words. Some uses may have a good reason for, but we should keep in mind why we're writing and who's reading and under what facts or conditions, and we should avoid the feeling of wanting to display our amazing knowledge at the reader's expense." As you can tell, that was a lot easier to read and just made a lot more sense, and the younger children would just have an easier time understanding what that means and just overall get a better idea of what the article is about. So this isn't the only cool part of Rewordify.com, but there's also a parts of speech. So all you do is just click on that, and it takes the same exact little paragraph, and it breaks it down into the parts of speech, like nouns, pronouns, verbs, adjectives, adverbs, and etc. So you can see here, like the verbs would be remembered and justified, and the adverbs would be not and perfectly, and some nouns would be circumstances or expenses. So this is actually very useful for all ages. I'll be 100% honest with you guys, I use this exact website all the way up till senior year because I didn't understand the parts of speech very well, and this just broke it down and made it very simple with color coordinated words, and it broke it down and it just made more sense to me. So at Rewordify.com, you don't actually always have to just use little paragraphs, but you can also go on here and you can just copy and paste an entire link in there. And what this actually does is it brings up the same exact web page as the original one, as you can see here, the comparisons, and it rewordifies all the hard words automatically. So you can see over here it says fancy or smart, which would originally mean sophisticated, and able to read and write would mean literate, and complete would be unabridged. So basically you can just see that all these difficult words are broken down into easier versions. In today's day and age, honestly, this like little feature right here where you can do the whole website is very useful because teachers are always constantly sending out entire articles and having students read them. And imagine being a student where you don't understand some of these words. Basically, this whole thing is just useless. So what Rewordify does is just simplifies it, makes it easier for them. And honestly, if I was a teacher with children who are struggling to read and understand difficult words, I would use Rewordify for all of my assignments too, and just have it send this link out right here. Yeah, so guys, that's basically what Rewordify.com does. If you guys have any questions, you guys feel free to email me at sam.jans@msu.edu. Thanks.